Hello friends, in this video we will be discussing in operator in SQL. So in operator is generally used for searching multiple possible values. You can use it as a condition to include it in a list of options. Generally in operator is used as an alternative of or in where condition. The basic syntax of in operator is select the column names from table where the column name in which we have to specify the in operator, then in, and under the bracket we specify the different values for which we have to return the column. The same we will be seeing with example as well. Suppose there is a table name employees, and here I only want to see two columns, so employee number, comma first name. Okay, now suppose if I want only those employees whose employee numbers are certain, like for example employee number is equals to 16325, or employee number is equals to 16556. Okay, so I get only these employees whose employee numbers are equals to this and this. Now suppose I also want to add few more employees whose employee number I know. Employee number is equals to 15565. So I get all these numbers. So every time with OR operator, if we see, we have to specify employee numbers equals to again and again. So instead of this, I can use in operator. So what I can say, in, and then the employee numbers which I want to see, 16325, 16556, and 15565. Great. And now I don't need OR operator. So you see, we have used this line instead of this whole line. And if I run this, so I get the same result. All the employees whose first name and their first name. So this is the main use of an operator in SQL. That's it. Thank you for watching.